Hello from Slovenia again. Today I will start a little different because this is a collaboration video with Karen from Waterfall Acrylics. For those who know her, you know that Karen is a special woman and a unique artist, good artist, and before I will go to our pour, I just want to show you some pieces that I bought from her. This is a tray. It's just stunning. So, and my favorite piece that I bought is this one because it's just so beautiful for me. So this is Karen's, you see, artwork, unique, gorgeous artwork. And she does amazing clocks too. Just wish that you could see a sparkle of this probably iridescent gold in it, and resin work is just perfect. So this is Karen from Waterfall Acrylics. I bet that some of you that didn't saw her work yet, you will check her out because she is amazing, as I said. So when we spoke about our collaboration piece, Karen said that she would love to do some split cup pour. I believe that she didn't done one before. So, and we will use the same colors and this split cup with 6 chambers. And we agreed that we will not, we will not have a lot of rules. We will have just kind of technique, split cup, same colors, 12 by 12 inch canvas, and we can go with the flow. And of course I asked Karen that she chose the colors because when I started pouring, she was one of the first artists that I watched, and I learned so much about color combinations from her, and of course all the other things, but I always love still her color combinations. So she chose white, titanium white, aqua, greenish blue, and permanent green light, and Payne's gray. I will turn this around, and as I said, we can either do straight pour, wandering, ring, whatever our creative mind will tell us at that time. And the last one is Naples yellow. And I will, of course, put all my colors, mixtures, everything, and link to Karen's channel into the description box too. So let's start. Okay, this takes me a while because that's why I like split cup pours, because you just can kind of draw with with the split cup, or if this makes any sense to you, it does for me. And that's why it was nice not to have limitations. Just when you start watching your paint flow out of the cup, you just go with the feeling and with just you and paint without limitations. If that makes any sense. Sorry, sometimes I just think that it's nice to explain what you feel, or maybe not all of you, but I do, while I'm painting. So now I will just try to figure out and stretch this a little bit before I will decide if I will spin it or just tilt it, because I want to keep this too, so probably it will be just tilting back to the middle. Okay. I really love this earthy look of these colors together, so okay, and this is kind of a composition that I want to keep. And now I will just play a little more just to see. If I like the flow, and I do. So I think that this color combination is really nice together. I love it, and I love how this turned out. So I will take you for a close-up, and don't forget, right after my premiere will be Karen's premiere too, so I will maybe just, or maybe I should go here and it will not be so much glare, probably. So right after my premiere, go on Karen's from Waterfall Acrylics channel. She will use the same colors, the same technique, but with her soul and artistic eye. And can't wait to see what she will create. And hopefully see you all on Karen's channel. Sorry, I just didn't find my button. Bye, see you there.